Today I'm going to show you what it's like to drive the Apt XGT, a road-legal converted Audi R8 LMS GT2 from a first-person point of view. At the heart of the GT2 is a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, making the most power of any road-going R8 of all time at 640 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 7-speed DCT. 0 to 60 happens in about 3 seconds and onto a top speed of 192 miles an hour. The fact that this can actually be driven on the road is insane. Look at all the modifications compared to a standard Audi R8 GT, and it also weighs 375 pounds less than that car. We've got so much more aero, lighter weight, better suspension, better brakes. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the coolest looking Audis, if not the coolest looking Audi of all time. We've got center lock wheels, upgraded brakes, the body has been widened substantially. We've got an S-duct where air comes in through here and exits over the hood for more downforce. Coming around to the side, we've got massive enlarged intakes right here, which looks so cool. A knock-a-duct down here as well. And then of course, that massive center mounted roof scoop. That looks absolutely insane. Now coming around to the rear of the car, we've got a very, very large swan neck style rear wing, producing a mysterious amount of downforce. Audi won't let us know, but clearly a lot. And I love that split exhaust design and that massive rear diffuser. Now things get even crazier when we hop inside the car. For safety, we have a full-blown roll cage and the steering wheel straight off of the actual GT2 race car. And how intense are those bucket seats? This car slots between GT3 and GT4 and gives customers and essentially amateurs the ability to be a race car driver on the track. Full carbon fiber door cards. I mean, these are completely different than normal Audi R8 doors, and we don't even have glass for the windows. Hopping inside, how insane is the interior in this car? Let's take a look at some of the controls on the steering wheel. Start-stop button, interior lighting, controls for ABS, ESC, traction control, horn, pit speed, and flash. We've got a fully digitized instrument cluster that looks really, really trick. Carbon fiber absolutely everywhere. We've got the standard climate control vents from a normal Audi R8. We have our parking brake right here, a reverse button right here, as well as some more controls. Just look at how ridiculous this car is. All right, let's take it out for a drive. I am excited. I actually can't believe this is a road legal car. So foot on the brake. This is so awesome. Hold the right paddle, put the car into first gear. All right, off we go in the Audi R8 LMS GT2. It is so loud in here. Oh man, even at 20 miles an hour, this is by far my favorite Audi I have ever driven. It is so raw, so loud, and the suspension and steering feel like a straight up race car. So we're gonna take this thing out on the Autobahn for a bit to get some pace in the car. Now we've got Trofeo Rs and it's pretty cold, so we're gonna need to drive slow for a bit to warm up the tires. Interestingly, it doesn't have a sequential gearbox, so it's not a full-on race car, but honestly, I love that because the 7-speed DCT in the R8 is a fantastic gearbox, and it makes this car really drivable. The transmission is, you know, the same as a normal R8, so it's not a big deal to drive whatsoever. Oh wow, the brakes take some heat in them. Holy moly.
Okay, 1 second.
Feel like they're straight out of a race car. Right now, because there's no heat in them, it doesn't slow the car down very well. So gotta be careful if you get one of these and you drive it on the road to make sure you hit the brakes a handful of times beforehand to build up some heat so that you don't just randomly run into the car in front of you, because it doesn't have a normal road going feel to it. The turn-in is just instantaneous. I mean, oh my God, the steering is so direct. Oh, and it sounds good. Huge thanks to Esser Automotive for making this review possible. This Audi R8 LMS GT2 is actually for sale there now, and I honestly want to buy this thing myself. This is so freaking cool. I cannot believe you can drive this on the road. It almost makes no sense. Oh my God, the noise! Oh, it's incredible! I love it! Oh, I need this car! This is absolutely unreal, and we haven't even done anything in the car. So as you can see, it's number 76 of 99, so it's incredibly rare as well. Oh man, I'm in love. Removable steering wheel, the horn button right here. I actually like the yoke style steering wheel. You don't have anything to grab on up here, but the turning is so direct that you don't really need anything other than this steering wheel. Driven a Sesto Elemento, but I kind of feel like it's got to have a similar driving experience. Sesto Elemento is obviously a lot lighter, but this has more power, incredibly raw, and the throttle response is just instantaneous, unlike any road-going Audi. Wow. This gnarly. This feels illegal. Oh my God. The downshifts. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's actually spectacular. I'm in love. I love the full carbon fiber dashboard layout, and just the view you have is so unique. This massive roll cage just it really feels like driving a race car on the road, which is just, I mean, effectively what I'm doing. And I can imagine that driving this thing on an actual racetrack is just absolutely mind-blowing. Underrated the horsepower. There is no way this thing is only 640 horsepower. No way. The brakes making noise. That is crazy. You ain't gonna hear that from a road car. it into 6th gear, make it nice and quiet, and I've got air conditioning in here, is actually insane. You've got creature comforts in an absolute race car. The sound alone makes this car so incredible, let alone the brake feel, the suspension setup, the aero, the steering. It's honestly brilliant. I actually really want this car. I love the way this car looked when it came out in 2020, but I didn't realize that it was this intense. I mean, it doesn't feel like a normal Audi R8 at all. It basically shares the name and the engine and the gearbox, but other than that, to be my next car. I don't know. I'm like mind blown right now. It's just, it really is like nothing else. I'm trying to think of what the closest thing that I've driven to this is, and I mean, short of like a Huracan Super Trofeo, that's about it. It's so raw, it's so fast, and it's just an unbelievable experience. I'm in love, genuinely. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.